Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you are new to my channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video I've got my Traxxas Maxx monster truck out with me. And we're going to do a high speed test. I've got my GNSS speed meter right here that I'm going to hook up and we're going to see what type of top speed we can get. Now this is not a stock machine. If you've watched the most recent videos, I've swapped this over to a different system. We are now running a 6S capable system. So we are running a Spektrum Firma 150 MPSC and a Spektrum 2050 kV motor, still running the stock gearing. And we're going to be running one 6S pack, a 6,000 milliamp 100C discharge rate Z LiPo pack with the EC5, which is compatible with the IC5. I just recently installed this hot racing battery strap tie down because that's the only way you can fit a 6S pack into this machine. Now this is a version 1, so it's a shorter wheelbase one. We'll see if the tires, the thing I'm worried about is just if the tires can hold up to 6S power. I know stock with a 4S pack, this went 55 miles per hour. So go ahead, put your guesses down below in the comments. After looking this machine over, it occurred to me there's really no place to actually tape that GPS on. I thought about here, but I'm like, wait, the clamp has to go here for the body. Same thing's true for up here. I thought about hooking onto the wheelie bar, but that seems sketch. So in the end, I have it just underneath of the battery strap tie down, which is very sketchy as well. I decided to turn it lengthwise, so I have it underneath the battery strap tie down, which it could possibly move, but we're just gonna roll on the throttle because there's really nowhere else. I'm like, where else am I gonna put it? I don't know where else I can strap it to. Like, if I strap it here, it could get in the way of the steering servo or the steering link, the bell crank, maybe right there. I don't know. We're just gonna try it like this and hopefully it doesn't fall off. Let me get the body put on. All right, guys, and here we go. I'm gonna turn my TSM up because I want TSM on during this pass. I really need to roll on the throttle because I do not want that GPS falling out. I hope that strap will hold it. All right, I think we're clear. Like I said, guys, this is on 6S LiPo. Still running stock gearing. Spin around, that should be enough space right there. And here we go, on the throttle. You can tell it wants to lift. Spin around, make sure it's clear, bring it back in this direction. Had to let off the throttle. Those tires are ballooning a lot. Make sure it's clear, and here we go. Rolling on the throttle. I don't know if that's coming out across on camera how much those are ballooning, but I'm only getting maybe 3/4 throttle. Spin around from right there, bring it back. Okay, we will do one more from that direction. Here we go, guys, on the throttle. And that's enough. That's getting kind of sketch. Let's bring it in. I didn't even get past maybe 3/4 throttle tops, but let's see what we got. Oh, I'm fortunate, guys, because the GPS actually came off. It was still in here, though. And we only got 56. So, by the way, with stock gearing and 4S, it went 55. But it's just because these tires are ballooning so much. On top of that, it's lifting the front end up. Well, I can't go pinned, unfortunately. But if you did enjoy this quick speed test video, hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell, and until next time, see you later.